Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. Adding subtitles to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro is a great way to enhance accessibility and engagement, especially if you want to make your content more inclusive for audiences who may be deaf or hard of hearing, or for viewers who speak a different language. Now that we have clip on the timeline, let's go to Window, Workspaces, Captions. From the Workspace menu at the top of the screen, on the Captions panel, choose New Caption Track. This will create a new caption track in your timeline. In the New Caption Track dialog, choose Subtitle under Caption Type. This is the most commonly used format for online content and supports styling and positioning. Click OK to add the caption track to your timeline. Now, go to Window, Text, or press Alt+T to open the text panel where you'll manage your subtitles. At the timeline, place the playhead where you want the subtitle to start. Click the plus icon and the text panel. Enter your subtitle text and the text panel under caption text. You can type directly or paste from another document. Use the playhead in the timeline to position where each subtitle begins and ends. Now drag the edges of the subtitle block and the timeline to adjust its duration. Ensure that each subtitle aligns with the corresponding audio for accurate timing. Repeat the steps 2 to 4 to add more subtitles throughout your video. By following these steps, you'll be able to add professional subtitles to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, enhancing accessibility and engagement for your audience. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.